right, are you still there? Can you please light the balls again? That was really cool. It was a nice morning surprise. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. There's like 4 or 5 balls inside that bag. Let me see if I'm now, is that Dave? If it's Dave, can you light the balls for yes or turn on the light? I can't turn the blower down yet on the stove. It's too hot. If that's you, Dave, can you please give me a sign? Turn the light on or light the balls for yes. Whoever did that, you did. Thank you. You did such a great job. Thank you, Dave. Is there a spirit clanking the dishes? Are you still there? Okay. So that's a yes. It happens too often. I know coincidentally sometimes dishes might shift, you know, in a drain board, but it's just like, this is too much. Alright, well, I don't know why the fan's not shutting down, but we can do a little bit of the radio right here for a minute, and then I'm going to say goodbye. So, let's turn this up. Alright, is that you, Dave? Yes. Thank you, Dave. You're amazing. Can you turn the light back off, Dave, please? Yes. Lots of clicking in this room. I don't know why. It's very weird. Turn it all the way off, please, Dave. Thank you. That was so good. Dave, are you the one who makes the dishes move sometimes? You clearly answer? Yes. Are you doing that to get my attention? You can turn the light on for yes. Or say yes. Yes. I can even hear that through this loud blower. You do such a great job with communicating, Dave. Are you always watching what we're doing? Turn a light on or say yes? I think you just say no. I definitely won't be able to hear this, so I play it back. Let me say I understand. How many spirits are in the kitchen right now? You say 8? Turn a light on if you did for yes. Wow, thank you. Are all the 8 spirits who used to live in this house? Turn the light off for yes. I wonder why there's 8 there. Are there any angels in here? Turn the light off for yes or say yes. Thank you. I wish I could hear what you're saying, but I will. I really appreciate you communicating. You're doing a great job. Is there anything, a special message you would like to say through this box? Please go ahead. Is that a female? I'm having a hard time hearing. Can you light the balls up if Carol's in the room? Please? You did such a great job. I love it when you light those the cat toys that are hanging. If Carol's in the room, light up those cat dolls. Or the flashlight. Oh, wow. Thank you. Hi, Carol. Would love to know more about Carol. I'll have to find out sometime when we don't have so much noise in the background. Hi. Who's doing that? Is that Carol? Wow. There's serious energy going on. Are you happy to... Oh my God.